We're going to do some more practice on limits and algebraic manipulation in this video. Uh, we're asked to find the limit of x squared minus 9 over x minus 3 as x approaches 3. So before you do anything, plug in the value that the x is approaching. So for our case, it's 3. So it's going to be 3 squared if we plug it in, minus 9 over 3 minus 3. This is equal to 9 minus 9 over 0, which is equal to 0 over 0. And so this is known as your indeterminate form. Doesn't mean that there's no limit. We just have to mess around with the the function to find our limit. So we want to start off by factoring, simplifying, and canceling out our function. So if we take a look at our function over here, we have x minus 3 on the bottom. We can't really simplify that, nor can we cancel it out or factor it. So let's look at the top now. We have x squared minus 9. Notice that that is a difference of squares. We can factor that. So let's go ahead and do that. X squared minus 9 factors into, well, let's try the limit as x approaches 3 first. Yeah, so x squared minus 9 factors into x plus 3 and x minus 3. And so we're just going to put this over x minus 3. And now we have to look for anything that we can cancel out or simplify. Notice that we have a x minus 3 on the bottom and an x minus 3 on the top. We can cancel those out. And we're going to be left with limit as x approaches 3 of x plus 3 over 1, which is just the same thing as saying the limit as x approaches 3 to x plus 3. Because anything over 1 is just that number. And so now that we have our sort of new function, we can use that to find a limit. So we just have to plug in our number, which is the value that x is approaching. So this is going to equal 3 plus 3, which is going to equal 6, and that is the limit for your function.